morning. Today we are discussing about continuing part of the topic weather and climate. We already know in previous class what is the weather and what is the climate. Weather is the short period of time over a small area. It is the condition of small areas. It tell about the weather, and it is the long period of large area. It is the condition of long period of weather. It is called climate. So let's today we discussing about the factors that determine the climate. Determine, it means influence on the climate. What are the factors influence on the climate, or what are the factors recognized the climate? So first one, distance from the equator. Equator is in middle. Imaginary lines. We knew about these lines, imaginary lines, in first chapter, longitude and latitude. So Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, and northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. We know the earth move on its own axis and move around the sun. When the sun rays directly get in this part, equator parts get the direct sun rays in vertical lines, like that. Those are in vertical shapes. So equator part get directly hot from the sun, but other parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, get the sun rays in slanting ways. So when we feel it is when we move from the equator part to northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere, move there, we feel that the sun rays is slanting because that climate is cooler, but the equator part is very hot climate it is get. So next one, the height above sea level. The height above sea level, it is also influence on the climate, because the sea level, it is called altitude. Above the whatever it is place above the sea level is called altitude of that place. Sea level, for example, when we climbing the hills or high places, we feel air that is there very cool, that place. Like that, higher altitude places cooler than lower altitude places. Now we comparing Bangalore and Chennai, both are on the same latitude, but Bangalore is much cooler than Chennai because it is 3100 feet above the sea level. It is sea level above that place, so it is cooler than Chennai. Then next point, distance from the sea. Which are the places nearest the sea? Those places are not very hot and not very cold, because which are the places far away from the sea? Those places, which are the places away from the sea, far away from the sea places? There is no sea nearest that places. Those are get very hot in summer and very cold in winter. For example, best example, Delhi. Delhi is very cold in winter and very hot in summer because it is away from the sea. But Mumbai is nearest or nearby the sea. It is neither very hot nor very cold. It is in fact experience or a moderate temperature throughout the year in Mumbai. So this is the reason for this type of climate we can find the sea nearest places and faraway places, because sea breeze from the sea cools that hot air on the land. It is changes the sea wind. The wind take from away the breeze in hot places, and the warm breeze from the sea prevent air on the land from getting cold. This is also impact on the climate. So then next point is direction of the wind. Direction of the wind also influence on the climate. It is depend upon that places region of there is cold region coming, decreasing the temperature automatically. If there is region hot, increase the temperature because the wind coming from the sea make region humidity. It influence on the climate. Winds are influence on the climate. If there is hot places, the winds came from the hot air, and it is place very cool. The winds came from the breeze, cold breeze there is. So it is also impact on the climate. Cooling of sea on land in summer. It is rotation that like from the wind. So let's last point, humidity. Humidity means it is the water, the large amount of the water vapor in the air. It is called humidity. It is also affect on the climate because wind blowing from the sea have a lot of moisture in them. So that moisture nearest the sea places like Mumbai or Chennai are very humid. It again and again take rainfall or received that places nearest the sea places again and again received the rain for this reason, because the level of humidity in air in large amount that places. This is also impact on the climate. So let's continue. The weather condition keep on changing. We discussing about these things in next class. Okay.